Hey guys, it's Mark here again from YouTube. I got my second package today in the mail. Yesterday I unboxed my Shure SM7B microphone. I'll put that out first. But today's video is going to be on the unboxing of the PreSonus audio interface. So, as you can see, here's the front of the box, and you got the image of the box itself on the front. If we turn it to the side, here's the side view. And here is the back of the box, and this does come with Studio Live, so you can start recording your mic or your guitar. So there's the back of the box, and here is the last side. Yeah guys, I'm now going to open the box and show you what comes inside. So, if we can get this open. Well, first off we have just your standard manual and your drivers and your Studio Live software, but I recommend that you go onto the site, or I will put a link down in the description where you can download the Mac and drivers for this new box. So check it out. And so there's a book. And we also get a USB cable, because this unit doesn't require power. You get it powered up via the USB. And we also get some more geek candy, but don't eat this because it's not good for you. So we can get that too. Alright, now on to the main unit itself. And we also get little rubber feet, so the box doesn't slide around on the table or wherever you got it placed. So here's the final unit. Here we have your two inputs. They're combo plugs, either for your 3.5 inch or for your XLR cable, either for a microphone or your piano or what you want to record. And here is your phantom power button. So this does have phantom power for your studio mic. Sometimes require phantom power to work. And here we have your 5 volume knobs. So here's your headphone volume, and here's your main volume, and the volume knob down the bottom are for your inputs. Here we have your headphone input, so you can monitor what you hear through the inputs, and as well as we have two line outputs, and we have a MIDI in and a MIDI out, as well as your USB port. So that's about it for the box. That's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll put all links and all the information in the description box for you. So make sure to check that out. And thanks for watching.